In a groundbreaking move, the US SEC lends support to Bitcoin options trading, marking yet another victory for the cryptocurrency. Representatives Flood and Nickel led to the charge for equal treatment, advocating for options trading on Bitcoin ETPs. Stay tuned as the crypto market embraces new horizons. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So here we are, starting off with the new Jack Dorsey's blog to buy Bitcoin every month with 10% of its gross profit from Bitcoin products. Breaking news is whales have been buying Bitcoin aggressively the last 24 hours, and as we could see on this update, they bought and accumulated around 47,000 Bitcoins in a just past 24 hours. We are entering a new era. Just in, the two Hong Kong-based asset managers just reported owning US-based Bitcoin ETFs, $38 million worth by Yongrong and 74 million by Ovata. Also, we could see that the real bull run just starts a few months after the halving, and we are getting prepared for this moment. Bounce imminent. It looks like the leverage loans liquidity has been grabbed during this correction. In addition, on the 5-day chart, stochastic RSI is about to cross bullish. Last three occurrences it happened, it was followed by the Bitcoin pump, printing a higher high. Unpopular opinion: real estate investing is exploitative in nature. If people didn't own more properties than they needed, the price of real estate would drop dramatically, giving renters the ability to buy a house instead of borrowing one forever. Bitcoin fixes this. There is still $7 billion worth in shorts that would be liquidated if Bitcoin reaches $68,000. I told you this would actually happen soon. Just in, $5 trillion asset manager Fidelity says pension funds are starting to explore Bitcoin and crypto investments. US pension funds manage more than $10 trillion. As we could see, the Michael Saylor says that you're gonna see a parade of famous investors, funds, public companies, and more announce they are buying Bitcoin, and it takes 2 to 10 companies to act, and you kick off a roaring bull run. That's what we have right here. Bitcoin is at 4.7% world adoption, as this is the same as January 1999 for internet adoption. You are still early, and that's backed by the best data available. Bitcoin enables the transition to a deflationary system, Jeff Buss says, and in this screenshot we can see that the price of home versus US dollars. In the US dollars, 2016 288,000, in 2020 it was 328,000, in 2024 it was $434,000. While at a Bitcoin rate, 2016, which is 664 Bitcoins, 2020 was 45 Bitcoins, and 2024 is 6.6 Bitcoins. The value of Bitcoins grows as the amount of Bitcoins value as per house going down, while the money, the US dollars are going down, and the price for the for everything, I'm not just saying for property, for everything is growing massively. US representatives push for SEC approval of Bitcoin options trading. In a recent developments, US Representatives Mike Flood and Willie Nickel have made a significant push towards the acceptance of options trading on Bitcoin exchange-traded products by the Securities and Exchange Commission. They have voiced concerns in letter addressed to SEC Chair Gensler, emphasizing the necessity to eliminate any discriminatory practices against the cryptocurrency funds. Lawmakers advocate for equal treatment of Bitcoin-related financial products. The bipartisan letter articulated by the Flood and Nickel to the SEC chair stressed the importance of promptly approving options trading on spot Bitcoin ETPs. They highlighted a discrepancy in treatment by the SEC, contrasting the current trading Bitcoin futures ETFs options with those for spot Bitcoin ETPs, as the lawmakers demanded either an approval or a comprehensive explanation for this differential treatment. Options are versatile financial instruments that provide a holder the liberty to buy or sell a specific asset, such as Bitcoin, at a predetermined price within a stipulated time frame. These tools are predominantly predominantly utilized for hedging purposes to mitigate price risks, cap potential losses, and enable investors to pursue additional income through various strategic maneuvers. The call for approval is rooted in the lawmaker belief that such a move is essential for the protection of investors, which the SEC aims to uphold. The delay in decision-making by the SEC has affected several applications, including those from major financial marketplaces like the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and Cboe Global Markets, all of which were submitted as early as January. Specifically, NASDAQ has proposed to list and trade options on the iShares Bitcoin Trust managed by BlackRock, while Cboe has plans to enable options trading on a variety of Bitcoin funds. Similarly, the NISE has shown interest in offering options trading on the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and other Bitcoin holding trusts. Furthermore, the SEC has launched a new round of consultations concerning the proposed rule changes that would allow options trading on Bitcoin funds. This initiative, revealed in an pre-April 24th filing, aims to scrutinize the potential impact of a Bitcoin options on market stability, especially under volatile conditions. The agency is keen on determining whether the existing market surveillance and regulatory mechanisms are adequate to handle the complexities associated with Bitcoin options. Stakeholders have been invited to submit their comments by May 15th, with a deadline for rebuttal comments set for May 29th. SecGov should still to its core mission of regulating financial markets and get out of its newfound hobby of dabbling in climate alarmism. So the next one we are going for is Bitcoin is the best crypto network, and it's not just the best asset, Michael Saylor says. MicroStrategy Executive Chairman Michael Saylor spoke strongly of Bitcoin as he delivered his thesis to attendees representing Fortune 1000 companies. He says that Bitcoin is the best crypto network, it's not just the best crypto asset. Michael Saylor says in this era, digital transformation is hands down the best idea. Yesterday at MicroStrategy World Bitcoin for Corporations, Michael Saylor had multiple strong positive remarks on Bitcoin and its network. Saylor categorically said Bitcoin is the best cryptocurrency network and not just the best crypto asset. Simply put, there is no second best to Bitcoin, his words. According to Michael Saylor, Bitcoin is the best treasury asset since it is able to provide a creation unlike the US dollar, which creates dilution. Bitcoin, according to MicroStrategy Executive Chairman, provides the most ideal alternative investment, which has absolutely no correlation to state-owned currencies and no affiliations to corporations. The man certainly holds Bitcoin in high regard, claiming that Bitcoin is the best bank and path to peace and prosperity. He does not see Bitcoin as a single product. Instead, Bitcoin is a full-fledged ecosystem of products, securities, companies, derivatives, and even professions. In his presentation, he mentioned there are up to 220 million Bitcoin holders globally, and the robust network certainly provides the most secure crypto network. Currently, there are approximately 420 million crypto users today. And according to Michael Saylor, all altcoins are facing major regulatory issues, competing against one another, attempting to tread new waters, and getting hacked, among others. These challenges eventually could blow up, and all the liquidity from these ecosystems would flow right into the Bitcoin. Why? You guessed it, the best crypto network with 100% acceptance. Michael Saylor says Bitcoin is the most widely bought investment asset in the world, and he makes incredibly good points to back this case. Considering Bitcoin is held by over 400 million users worldwide, it makes it one of the most popular assets, and all holders want the same thing, for Bitcoin price to do well on the markets. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.